Hi guys and welcome to my home tour. I'm only mentioning where I got everything. I won't be mentioning prices. I won't be mentioning location. I won't be mentioning rent. I won't be mentioning agency or agent actually rather. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I hope you receive the information that I give you and don't sort of like ask for too much. I've thought about this a lot and I wasn't comfortable doing it, but I was like, oh well, let me just show like basically how my thinking has come together designing my space. The idea was New York loft apartment, so lots of lighting, so I don't have curtains everywhere which like dim the light. I've used a lot of steel. You'll see a lot of black metal steel or whatever it's called. You'll see it in the lights that are sitting next to the TV. You'll see the TV. You'll see the console that I put my TV on. You'll see my mirror at the entrance hall, and the mirror in the lounge, as well as my tables. So my table in the kitchen has a metal frame, as well as one of my tables in my seating area. So yeah, that's the thinking, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, happy apartment tour. So we are going to start in my storeroom. Actually, one of the main reasons why I went with this place is because of this storeroom. So I put my ironing board, my thing that I hang my clothes on, picnic basket, some storage boxes, and there's lots of space for storage. It's absolutely amazing. And yeah, let's move to the next section. We're moving into my house, the apartment. I wish it was a house. So the first thing you're going to see is the entrance hall. I think this is really cute. It gives you a very homey feel, and apartments don't usually have this space. So I decorated it a little bit. I put some flowers I got from Life Rose, flowers from Instagram. Earlier on this year, I saw dried proteas in Cape Town, and I was like, I have to have these. I got the mirror from Empty Spaces on Instagram. I'm not a big fan of the finish. I think it looks a little bit cheap along the ends, but yeah, I'm not mad at it. I think it looks like very industrial. Maybe that was the aim. That's my sister and I at my first graduation in when was it, 2012 or something? I'm old, guys. And then the second frame is me and my brother, and that's me again. I look so young. And yeah, that's an overview of the lounge. That's my lounge space. So I'm gonna get into like each section or item now. Okay, so let's start at the bar. So I've got some Glenlivet 12-year-old. I've got Jameson Select Reserve. Some Moom. These are my favorites. This one is signed by Usain Bolt. I got it when they launched. Yeah, and then I've got some R&R that my got me when he was here earlier this week. I don't really finish a bottle of wine quickly, so I still have a little bit of that. And yeah, at the bottom I've got corks that I've kept over the last 2 years, champagne and wine corks. And yeah, so let's get to the curtains. The curtains are from Volpes. It's all voiles. I like the voile look because it keeps people from seeing you from outside but still doesn't keep the light out. That's a block out that I have along the sliding door. That's also from Volpes. I like the nude. I think it's quite neutral, especially because I've got such a strong color couch. I wanted pink, but I think it would have been a bit much and wouldn't have been a neutral space. I like neutral, even though I do like bold. So this couch I've had for 2 years. I got it from At Home. Absolutely love it. It ages really well. I clean it with a damp cloth. It's absolutely perfect. I have no complaints. These candles and diffuser I got from At Home as well. At Home is like my go-to. This table though I got at Decofern, which I also like quite a bit. This table and the footstool I got from Decofern. It's very, very affordable and cheap. This gold table that my laptop sits on, I got at Mr. Price Home. I'm not a big fan of Mr. Price Home, but sometimes you do find gems. Yeah, this carpet I got at home. It was actually on sale, which was great. I absolutely love it. It's called a Shaggy Rug. Love, 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 love. It's quite big as well, so it fills up the space. And yeah, let's come to my corner. I'm actually undecided whether I want to keep these in this corner or not, but I like that they make the place look a bit more artisty. So these are lights I gotta take a lot, and a tripod I gotta take a lot. Absolutely love my equipment. My camera sits screwed there. That's K Arms on mute. Just for my video, I was watching that actually. Those are some books that I've read in the last year to the Lazy Makoti cookbook. I'm still to use it. I want to use it soon to make dumpling. That's Shantaram. A friend suggested it, and then that's lemongrass, linen and like curtain spray to keep the space smelling nice. There's a bit of green. One is fake, one is real. I'll leave you guys to guess which one. So yeah, that's the front view I see when I watch my TV, which I love a lot. I love the black metal. And that's my plant. It actually just popped up two new leaves 4 days ago. They actually quite grow quite quickly when they pop out. This is my second head of leaves. And the other one I got when I went home in for a funeral. I think it was October. I got that plant at Woolies. So this mirror I also got at Empty Spaces on Instagram. I paid for it. I don't think I actually received anything for free in this space. Everything here I had to buy. I didn't try though. I didn't try get some sponsorships. You'll see in my bedroom there's only one thing that was sponsored. Not really actually even because I had to post about it. So that's basically them not paying me to post but rather giving me a product, which sometimes is okay. So let's move to my favorite part, the high damn ceilings. That's the passageway. I have so much storage. Guys, this place is marvelous when it comes to storage. All my shoes can finally fit. So I've got all my shoes in here, sneakers in this shelf, Nike, Air Forces, designer and simple, and then I've got some Zara sneakers, and I've got like some old heels running shoes, more sneakers from Nike. I love those. Yeah, okay, never mind those being untidy, and yeah, more shoes. Yeah. Okay, let's close up here. Here I've just got like my bags, iron, random stuff, pillows I don't use, curtains I bought extra. And what's next? Bathroom. Let's do the bathroom. This is my guest bathroom. Yeah, it's not big, it's not small. It's just got a shower, which is perfect. I've got some. The curtains are also from Volpez. Sack of oil. I actually wondered if I should put a void in the bathroom. But anyway, let's see how it goes. If it stinks, I'll take it out eventually. I've got a bin from some Chinese shop. These towels are from Zara Home. Absolutely love them. Love the color. And yeah, I've got some washing stuff for my guests from the Body Shop. That's a little display of my favorite MAC lipsticks. I keep the ones I use regularly here. That's some SPF products, different types that I was sent by L'Oreal this week. Absolutely loving them. You guys know I'm a fan of sunscreen. So let's move to the first bedroom, which is my main bedroom. Never mind the lighting. So these curtains are from Mr. Price Home. I've had them for very long. The voile also is from Mr. Price Home. They've got a bit of detail, just the light wouldn't show. I like that detail. That's my bed. The bedding is from Volpez. The pillows are from Macro. The headboard I got actually on Instagram. That's what I was talking about. It's about 4,000 Rand. And oh yeah, I shouldn't say the price, but yeah, that's the only thing I'll say the price for because I got it on Instagram. Let's go to my bathroom. These are the products that I'm currently using on my skin and my hair. These are my favorites and they actually look very pretty. I think there's value in making your products look pretty because now I can like display them and stuff. Yeah, that's my mirror. Absolutely, absolutely love this mirror. Love seeing myself naked when I come out of the bath. That's my hand towel. It's quite big. Né? Shower, my shower. I don't shower in the shower, but I've got some soap in here because the water hits the glass. It doesn't hit me, so I need someone to come move the top. I've got some wet wipes there after you do the number 2. I've got a bath there. My favorite thing to do is take a bath. I like that there's a window there so I can breathe when I'm heating up. Candles, another towel. I don't know how to keep white towels clean, by the way. Someone needs to help me. They always stain so badly. Yeah, that's my bathroom. Bye. This feels so personal. Let's go to the second bedroom. I actually sleep in here sometimes. I don't know why. So yeah, that's my headboard that I got from Choreograph. The curtains I got from Mr. Price Home also like many years ago, like 3 years ago. Mirror I got at Mr. Price last year. Bedding I got at Boardman's a very long time ago. The bedroom in the first bed, the bedding in the first bedroom is from Volpez. That's me. Hi guys. Kitty. You'd laugh at the story about these tracksuit pants. I stole them from my Muntu. But anyway, this is the storage space, cupboard spaces. Amazing. High ceilings. Absolutely love. Okay, so we're going to the kitchen now. That's an overview of the kitchen, and then I'm going to show you everything close up. That's a frame I got at Mr. Price Home. It was actually $5.99, but they had the wrong price on it, $2.99, so I got it for $2.99. I was so happy. That's my fridge. Actually, the story about this fridge is so awesome. I got this fridge. It's a demo. Got it as demo stock. So the fridges that are displayed on the floor, they don't throw them away. They sell them at a reduced price. So I got like 1,500 Rand off it. My fridge is never full. I hate having a full fridge because all my stuff rots. It's just eggs, little cartons of milk that they don't go off. Sauces. I'm not a big fan of sauces, but yeah, I've got some sauces. I prefer to cook them in. That's my tea section. I actually haven't had tea in a long time. Maybe I should have some now. I love green tea. It makes me so regular. It's a Le Creuset teapot I got from my bestie, Mati. Some honey I got in Bloem. And I went for 4IR thing. Sink. I got this thing at Mr. Price Home where the dishes sit. I got this toaster for my sister. It's a bit dirty. Yeah, I got like this microwave as it was a game. It wasn't a demo. I can't live without paper towels. I buy them at Woolies. They're always on special, 30 Rand for 2 packets, which is 4. Charging spot. My table I got at home. It's wooden and then with like this like metal frame. The chairs I got at Decofern for about $3.50 each. Fruit bowl got from at home. I'm actually eating. I'm about to have so when I wake up I have something light and then I have breakfast a little later. I don't like cereal, so this is like my wake up thing. Grapefruit is my absolute favorite. I got this washing machine actually on Gumtree as a second hand. many years ago, like 4 years ago. How crazy. This is my balcony with my braai area. Absolutely love this space. And that is it. Thank you for watching. See, natural, love cakes, everything. Happy New Year. Bye 2019 and have yourselves an amazing end of the year celebration with your loved ones. And yeah.